Oh, they've treated it. Is it up there?
Boys, come on.
Let's enjoy your little victory lap right there. This is the culprit. This is who did it right here. Also did it.
No, she ran first.
Guys, and welcome to today's episode of Y2K. My name is Blake, and we are all about the flyest cars from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. Today's video, we are changing the O-ring on the diesel injection pump. We got a little bit of a fuel leak on this 1993 Delica L300. So my father-in-law is going to be pretty much doing most of the work, and I'm going to just kind of document everything. Hope you guys enjoy the video and the footage. So we're trying to get to the injection pump, which is kind of hard to show you, but it's right down there where you see those metal lines are. There's a center bolt with no lines, and we're trying to loosen that up and then change the O-ring. Engine bay is decently accessible. Had it zoomed in too much there. But yeah, we just did some maintenance on it already. Valve cover gasket over here, and then we had a CV boot that was leaking, and we did the fuel filter, which is right there. So overall, it's in pretty good shape though. We also had a wastegate actuator that was seized, which is over here, back over there. And I could tell that because the pressure relief valve was actually sounding like a tea kettle boiling. So we fixed that. A little bit slower now, but runs better.
Okay, set it away. Yeah, where this came from?
No.
From the power steering. On the Audi. I dismantled it because it's a piece of shit. And I just recycled the metal.
And they turned it into that?
Mm-hmm. No, I just took this off.
Okay.
I want to make sure this thing is straight though.
Oh! Did I get it? Yeah. It's really tight. Really, really tight.
There you go. Okay. Check it if it got loose. Okay. Oh yeah, it got loose!
Yeah! We got it!
I didn't feel no resistance though.
Huh?
I don't feel no resistance for the
O-ring?
O-ring.
Uh-uh.
Okay, hang on. Let me get a piece of rag.
Okay. Alright, we found the problem. This timing check plug has no O-ring, just a washer. So whoever did this before used a washer, not an O-ring, and or gasket as you want to call it. So it's leaking, and they tightened the crap out of it, hoping that it wouldn't leak, I believe, because it was definitely more than 17 foot-pounds of torque when we took it off. So that's the problem. We're going to go to the hardware store and get a new O-ring and then put it back on.
Yeah. Where's the offset?
Did you take it somewhere?
Is it at the bottom?
On the ground over there?
Yeah.
Here it is. Okay. Here you go.
Yeah. $17 is really just how much this wrench can do. That should be it. I heard a click.
You want me to start it up?
Yeah, let me just wipe down everything down here so we know. And we need to connect the battery.
Is the battery at 10?
10. Gonna get fan top. Okay. Well, hang on. Then we just install this. Okay. Alright, fire it up.
Does that have any gas in it? Alright, I think we fixed it. O-ring is installed. Checking for leaks. Gotta be good at doing the army crawl. Thankfully it's pretty high, so it's somewhat easy to get under. We also did new shocks all the way around. Rides much better now. We did pro comps, which saved about 50% I think on the OEM shock. You can get them on delicausa.com.
So far so good?
So far so good. Alright, well, we fixed the van. The O-ring was missing on the timing check plug for the diesel injection pump, and that has been fixed and resurrected, and now there are no more fuel leaks in the van and we are good to go. We do have to repair the CV boot that we replaced because we accidentally tore what looks like the little outer boot by the hub on accident. We reinstalled because it was kind of tight getting everything back in there and it got cut on a piece of the suspension. So we're going to be redoing that, and we'll probably do a video for that. We're also going to be doing spark plug wires, distributor cap and rotor cleaning, and the axle boot for the Diablo coming up in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I'm looking forward to that. I haven't got to really work on that car. I've seen people work on it, but I haven't got to do it myself. So with the help of my father-in-law, he can work on anything in the world. We're going to be doing that. So hope you guys enjoyed what you saw here today on Y2K. Please give us a big thumbs up if you like what you saw so we can get more views and keep bringing you even more content. The YouTube algorithm really likes the thumbs up button, so if you could do that, we really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell down below and turn your alerts on. That way you get to see everything we do as soon as we upload. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Well, after a 4-hour trip home and 2 stops because the car wouldn't turn on anymore, we realized that the O-ring's not the answer, guys. I don't know what else to tell you, but the gas ate both O-rings, high temp and just a normal O-ring. So we put the old washer back on and made it as tight as we could, and it actually seems to be working. So nothing conclusive from this review except that we did a lot of work that I guess we didn't need to do. Have a good day.